I'm Monique Head, founder of Feminine Influence Finishing School. We are a coaching and training company that helps Black women of faith feel confident to become the alluring woman so she can own her femininity, attract her Mr. Right, and create her lifelong loving relationship. I created Feminine Influence because it was what I needed. You know, there's that saying that says we teach best what we most need to learn, and that is my story. Unfortunately, my parents divorced when I was a young age, and my mother bore the brunt of caring for three children, two of whom happened to be boys. So you can imagine the toll that that would have on a woman's way of being. And with so much on our plate, feminine energy isn't something that comes naturally to most Black women. Because of that, I adopted a lot of behaviors that were disruptive to my relationships with men. I was questioning myself all the time. Am I too much? Am I not enough? And I created a lot of chaos because I wasn't able to just allow myself time to feel all my feelings so that I could express myself. You know, we Black women have a lot of charm and we can be so oblivious to our charm. It's because we're taught to be tough, we're taught to be providers, we're taught to be supporters. And given the cultural narrative, positioning oneself for marriage or exploring femininity can seem like an unworthy or a shallow pursuit. But it's really a journey of self discovery and a journey of building your legacy. And what better way for a woman to establish her own legacy than by walking in both confidence and ease, equipped with the skills to create what she wants in both love and life?